Did you know Leonardo AI can lock in your character design and make it reappear across dozens of different scenes, moods, and styles without retraining every time? Today, I'm unlocking the 3 most underrated features inside Leonardo AI that even pro creators often miss, especially if you're trying to build a consistent AI character. Stick around if you want your characters to stop shape-shifting, and drop a comment if you've ever lost a perfect look because of a bad regeneration. Leonardo AI is crazy powerful, especially for generating cinematic or illustrated characters, but most users just toss in a prompt and hope for the best. The truth is, some of the most powerful tools for character consistency are hiding in plain sight. First up, image to image with character reference. Image mode. This is your secret weapon to guide the AI while keeping your original character look. Alright, let me show you how I actually do this inside Leonardo. If you've ever had that problem, your character changes every time you generate, this little trick almost feels like cheating. So first, I come right here and select image guide. Then, see this option? I switch it to character reference mode. Now, the fun part, I upload my base character image. For me, it's this young boy I made earlier, wearing a white t-shirt, a cap, and put on sunglasses. I just drag and drop it right here. Then, you'll see this strength slider. I usually keep it somewhere around mid to high, like 60 or 70. Too low and it won't stick. Too high, and it stops adding new details. You can change the model or style according to your preference. Finally, I type my new scene prompt. Something like, a male with short black hair, expressive eyes, large spectacles, wearing a baseball cap, standing in a city street, and that's it. Click, generate C, it's still my character. Same face and same character reference. But now, he's in a completely new scene. That's how you stop the AI from giving you a random stranger every time. It works like magic, and if you're making comics, game concepts, or branding assets, this literally saves hours. Now you can change the prompt accordingly and create new images using this base image reference. You're basically telling Leonardo, hey, this is the face. Don't mess with it. Just change the scene. Next is a 3-part trick I call the consistency stack. First, let's create our hero. Here's the prompt I'm using. A fantasy warrior named Kale, a young man with silver hair, a glowing blue eye, and black armor with golden trim, standing on a snowy mountain. Cinematic lighting, ultra realistic, epic concept art style. See what I did there? I literally named him Kyle, and I described his hair, eyes, armor. This makes the AI treat him like an identity, not just some guy. Now, here's where the real trick kicks in. Over in the generation settings, I toggle on seed lock. This seed is like a magic glue. It keeps your character's core look consistent, even when the scene changes. Okay, so now we've got Kale on a snowy mountain. What if I want him somewhere else? I copy the same character description, same name, same silver hair, same glowing blue eye. But now, I just changed the scene, part of the prompt. Now, Kale is in the dark forest. Click generate. And look at that. Still Kale. Same face, same armor. But now, he's deep in a dark forest. And I can do the same thing again. Kale on the battlefield. Same character description, just swap the location, click generate, and boom. Kale is fighting in the middle of a battle, but he still looks like Kale. So the combo is, name your character, write in the prompt. Describe key features, lock the seed. Then just change the scene part. It feels almost like you're directing an actor into new sets, but the actor never changes. Alright, so now let's go full power user mode. This is where you stop crossing your fingers every time you hit generate and actually teach Leonardo to remember your character. So here's what I do. I head over to the top menu, click on modes and training, and then hit train new modules. Now in the setup screen, I choose model category, character, because yep, we're training a character model. Next comes the fun part, uploading images. I pick around 10 to 20 images of my model. Same face, same style, just maybe different angles or poses. Don't mix wildly different outfits or art styles. Keep it consistent so the model really learns what looks like. Then I rename the dataset and the model to something clear. Pick a base model that fits your style, could be something realistic or painterly, and finally, click Start Training. It usually takes anywhere from half an hour to a couple of hours, so grab coffee, go for a walk. Once the training's done, here's where it gets really magical. I go back into Modes and Training, click on your elements, find my new model, and hit Generate with these elements. Then it's just like normal. Enter a new prompt, like standing on a red carpet event, wearing a sparkling black evening gown with a diamond choker, paparazzi flashes in the background, confident expression, luxury celebrity style. And here's the kicker. I adjust the model strength slider, sometimes a little lower for more creativity, higher for more accuracy. Click Generate, and look at that. It's still the same face, same glowing blue eye, same vibe, but now he's in a completely new scene. And that's how you stop feeling like you're starting over every time. With your own model, you become your hero, and Leonardo just helps tell his story. Oh, and quick tip, play around with different strengths. Sometimes a little randomness gives you something amazing. Now, your character can travel across universes, but still be themselves. So, if your AI characters keep showing up with new faces, new noses, or missing scars, now you know what to do. Start with seed lock and named descriptions. Level up with reference mode, and when you're ready, train a custom model that never forgets your hero. Which feature are you going to try first? Drop A in the comments if you've ever lost a perfect face to AI randomness, and make sure to subscribe for more hidden gems inside AI tools.